Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover or reset your Tinder account's password. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. So, to reset your Tinder account's password, open up your Tinder application or simply go and open up a web browser and type in tinder.com and search. As soon as you open the website, click on the login button at the bottom of the page. Enter your email address associated with your Tinder account and tap on Send Email. You will then receive an email from your Tinder account, which will help you with the instructions on resetting your password. Open your email that you have received and tap on the login link, which will automatically reset your password. If you want to reset your password from an application, simply open an application and click on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on the little gear icon at the top right corner of the screen where you will see your phone number displayed on the screen. Click on Update My Phone Number and enter a new phone number that you have an access to. Click on Continue and wait for the code to arrive on your phone number. After you receive a code, enter it and tap on Continue. This is how you can reset your password on Tinder. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you have any queries or thoughts, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.